lights are low, the night is warm. Your hand fits softly into mine. I hear the music calling us, two lonely hearts in perfect time. Your eyes speak words I never knew, a silent story, sweet and true. Every step I take with you feels like a dream coming alive. When you move your hips so slow, my
Hi guys, I am at Baçhata dance right now. There is a dance going on. The party is on. It's very fun to dance.
Don't let me go. Feel every beat and move it slow. Your love is fire in the dark, a burning rhythm in my heart. Dance close to me, just you and I, underneath the velvet sky. If this is love, then let it be. Forever dancing, you and me. Your hair falls softly on your face, like moonlight shining in this place. Your whisper travels through my soul and makes my broken pieces whole. Your fingers trace along my hand like waves upon a silent sand. Every touch is poetry written in eternity. Oh, every turn you take with grace, time slows down in your embrace. I don't need another dream, you are everything to me. Dance close to me, don't let me go. Feel every beat and move it slow. Your love is fire in the dark, a burning rhythm in my heart. Dance close to me, just you and I, underneath the velvet sky. If this is love, then let it be. Forever dancing, you and me. Hold me closer than before, like the waves reach for the shore. Every breath we share tonight feels so natural and right. If the music fades away, promise me you'll always stay. Even when the night is gone, we'll keep dancing till the dawn. Oh. Slowly, slowly, your heart touching mine. Step to the left, step to the right. Turn around, hold me tight. No words needed now, just your body next to mine. I never believed in faith before, till you walked across that floor. Now every road leads back to you, like stars returning to the moon.
It is very fun to dance, guys. I'm really having a lot of fun.
Your smile is like a melody playing soft inside of me. Every second that we share feels beyond reality. Oh, dance close to me, don't let me go. Feel every beat and move it slow. Your love is fire in the dark, a burning rhythm in my heart. Dance close.
Just do that because it's not about telling them to do, it's about leading and following. Right? So try, or rather do not talk, just keep doing in a flow. If you mess up, just keep doing whatever you do. Okay? Yes. Have fun, last 1 hour.
To me, just Let the guitar cry, let the rhythm flow. We don't gotta rush, just take it slow. If love is a flame, let it burn.